Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can rotate a video in Premiere Pro. So firstly, just simply open your Premiere Pro. Now as you can see, I already have a clip in my timeline. Now in order to actually rotate the clip, if your sequence is a bit different, so just simply change your sequence first. So for doing that, select your clip over here, then go to sequence, then sequence setting, then change your resolution over here. Let's do 3840 over here and 2160 over here. Then hit OK, then again hit OK. As you can see, the resolution of the frame changed automatically. Now in order for you to actually change the rotation, what you have to do is just simply go to the effect control panel over here. Then in the rotation value, just simply type in 0 or -100 or -60 or 70 or -90. It's up to you how you want your clip to be rotated. So after entering the number, just simply hit enter. Then if you want to also change the size of your clip, just simply change your scale over here to match the frame, just like this, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.